All right, we're on County Road 66. We're heading east, and we'll be coming up on the property in just a few hundred feet here. It'll be on the right. The map is showing this is tract 11, so direct county road frontage along its north side, including a power line and a phone line directly on the property, which is awesome. We're within about a mile of the Mule Shoe Conservation Area. Okay, map right shows us we're just coming to the northwest corner of the property. So it's on the right. Has a few hundred feet of direct road frontage. Heavily wooded with a nice mixture of timber. From where we are on the north side, it slopes down from the county road to that little wet weather creek bed, which was running earlier. And then it slopes back up on the other side. And as you continue going south, it levels out and then it slopes back down and up again. Looking at a beautiful mixture of timber. Looks like some mature hardwood trees, cedar trees. Seeing red oak, white oak, hickory trees. Having the power directly on site is awesome. Whether you need it or not, it certainly adds to the value if you ever do decide to sell the property. Beautiful tract. Check out the website for more details. If it's still available, you're certainly welcome to come and set foot on it and check it out. Check out the drone videos as well. And the topo map. Topo map could be helpful. Gorgeous tract.